Our last example for section 6.4 from page 492, number 51, is an application of polar coordinates. This time we are given the location of two airplanes near Vicksburg Airport in polar coordinates, and we're asked to find the distance between the two planes. So the one plane is 4 miles out from the airport at a heading of 12 degrees. I shouldn't use the word heading, but at 12 degrees. And the second one is 2 miles out at an angle of 72 degrees. So if we assume that the airport is at the polar axis there, what we can do is have our one airplane here, right here, at a length of 4 miles out and 12 degrees. And then the other airplane is here at 2 miles out and 72 degrees. So what we're looking at is we're looking for the distance in between these two airplanes. And so we have an angle here of 60 degrees, which is the difference between the 12 and the 72. So we are going to form, as you see, a triangle, and to find that length, we have two side lengths and the angle between them, so we can use the law of cosines. So to find our distance, we're going to say that d squared is going to be 2 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times the cosine of the angle between those two sides, which turns out to be 60 degrees. So simplifying this, we get 4 plus 16 minus 16 times the cosine of 60 degrees. So d squared is going to equal 20 minus 16 times 1/2. So d squared equals 12. So d is going to equal the square root of 12, which is, 2 times the square root of 3, which is approximately equal to 3.46 miles apart, is how far apart our two airplanes are at this time.